Hi boys and girls, it's Mr. Yates. In this video, I'm going to show you how to imitate the mentor passage for May 6th. I put the mentor passage up here in a Word document, and what I want you to do on the assignment today is I want you to imitate it. Imitate it basically means that you are going to keep the structure of the sentence. That means use a lot of the same kind of punctuation and word types that are in the sentence, but change the meaning. And I'm just starting to type gibberish there. But change the meaning. That means at certain places use different words to change the meaning of the mentor passage. And I'll show you what I mean. What I want to do is I first look at the very first part of the mentor passage. The United States had been born of an idea. And I thought to myself, how can I kind of keep the structure but change the meaning? And I was thinking about the city of Ember, and I thought, oh, I know how I could do this. Instead of saying the United States, I'll say the escape from Ember, because Lena and Dune are escaping from Ember, was born of an idea. So now I've kind of kept the structure, but now I've changed the meaning to talk about the escape from Ember. Now what I want to do is take a look at the second part here of the mentor passage. An idea that struck thinking people like a bolt of lightning. I want to keep that structure where it talks about an idea that struck people, but I think I might change it to Lena and Dune because they're the ones in the city of Ember. So I'll change that to an idea that struck Lena and Dune. And I wanted to think of maybe use a simile that sort of means the same thing like struck like a bolt of lightning because it was like, just really a powerful moment for them. An idea that struck Lena and Dune, I always heard the phrase, like a ton of bricks. It just landed on them hard and they were like, whoa. So I've kept the structure, but I've changed the meaning. So now I'm going to go on to the next part here. It was the idea found in those simple words from the Declaration of Independence. I want to change that because what really got the idea that got Lena and Dune to go the escape from Ember was that they found some directions that told them there was a way out. So what I want to do is I want to put that into the next sentence that I underlined, but still kind of keep the structure. So I'm just changing the meaning, but not totally structure. So I'll do that right now. So I have it was the idea found in, and instead of the simple words from the Declaration of Independence, I might say it was found in those simple words from the instructions they found. And I think the directions said directions. Oh, let me go ahead and underline this next part. So I kind of like that colon there, and now I want to talk about the words that they found. It wasn't all men are created equal. As I remember from Ember, it was something about the directions for the way out. So that's what I'm going to put up here. I want to go ahead and change all men are created equal to what they found, which was directions for the way out. And that's how I've got my imitated mentor passage. The United States had been born of an idea that struck thinking people like a bolt of lightning. It was the idea found in those simple words from the Declaration of Independence. All men are created equal, which I imitated by changing some of the words to change the meaning, but keeping the structure. The escape from Ember was born of an idea that struck Lena and Dune like a ton of bricks. It was the idea found in those simple words from the instructions they found. Directions for the way out. And now that I'm reading it back, I use the word found twice. I'm going to change found to discovered because I don't like repeating the same verb twice. So I'll say, there we go. It was the idea found in those simple words from the instructions they discovered. Directions for the way out. That should give you a good idea of how you're going to imitate the mentor passage today. If you have any questions or not sure if something really does keep the structure, send me an email with what you got, and I'll take a look for you. Thank you, boys and girls.